Hello, so I'm Kumiko Kotera and I'm an astrophysicist at Institut d'Astrophysique de Paris, IAP. And I work on high energy astrophysics and astroparticles. So high energy astrophysics is the study of the most violent phenomena in the universe, such as explosions of stars, like that we call supernovae, or more violent things that we call gamma ray bursts. We also have very powerful jets that are launched in the universe by galaxies. And so the idea is to try to understand how these phenomena happen, how these violent explosions happen, and the mechanism that is hidden behind these sources. So to do this, we're going to try to build models and to confront them to the observations that we can get. And in order to do this, one way to do it is to look at astroparticles. And astroparticles are, for example, gamma rays, which are photons of very high energies, so light of very high energies. And we also have protons or nuclei that we call cosmic rays, so matter, just like you and I. And we also have neutrinos. So using neutrinos, gamma rays, and cosmic rays, we're going to be able to probe these very violent sources and try to get some information about them, because they actually are messengers from these violent phenomena that are sent in the universe and that we might be able to get. And it's a very exciting time right now, because we're just right now at the birth of neutrino astronomy, because we've just detected a few neutrinos coming from these violent sources that we haven't identified yet. But it's such an exciting time, because now finally we have these three messengers combined, and we can really get probably to the full picture pretty soon. So that's what we're working on. So I think it's out of atmosphere is a really exciting idea and very nice. I'm really keen on outreach. I think it's very important to remember for us, to remind us what we're looking at, what we're working on, because we tend to forget about what it is when we're just immersed in our equations, and to have this contact with the public is really, really important, and also with the other fields. I also hope that this project is going to attract more women, because as you've noticed, even in this list of podcasts, there are so few of us, and I think it's a pity, because, well, I think women are discouraged quite early, at early stages in their career, because of this male-dominated world, which is not necessarily fit for us. But at the same time, I think the physics that we do has a different approach, and is really beautiful because of that, because we have different doubts and certainties on placed on different sides. And so I really think that we can bring something different and much extremely interesting to physics. So I really hope that we're going to be more numerous, and in this sense I hope that this project will help.